Hello everyone! My name is Chi Balyaser from Mitsubishi Commonwealth. So, ang model natin dito ngayon ay Mirage G4 GLX CVT 1.2. Guys, naka-zero down payment tayo ngayon at free 3 months pa. Ano pang hinihintay mo? Apply ka na. Tapos, hanapin mo lang ako dito sa Mitsubishi Commonwealth. Then, kung employed ka, ang requirements lang is salary with compensation na COE, 2 valid IDs, and latest 3 months payslip, and proof of billing. And then kung may business ka naman, kailangan lang natin is yung DTI mo, latest 3 months bank statement, 2 valid IDs ulit, and kung OFW ka naman, kailangan lang natin ng latest contract and proof of remittance din. So, ayun guys, punta na kayo dito at hanapin nyo lang ako sa Mitsubishi Commonwealth. My name is Chi Balyaser. See you everyone!